Having trouble enabling memory integrity in Windows 11? It could be due to driver issues or compatibility settings. In this video, we'll walk you through fixing the problem step by step. First, search Registry Editor and open it. Click Yes to allow changes when prompted. Now double-click HKey_local_machine, then go to System. Next, double-click on CurrentControlSet, then Control. Right-click on Scenarios. Select New, and click on Key. Name the new key HyperVisorEnforcedCodeIntegrity. In the blank space, right-click again, select New, and click on DWORD, 32-bit value. Name it Enabled, then double-click on Enabled. In the pop-up, set the value to 1 and click OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. For the next solution, search for core isolation, and open it. Turn on memory integrity, and when asked, click Yes to allow changes. If you see any driver issues, open Device Manager. Right-click the Windows Start button, select Device Manager, and click View at the top. Choose Devices by driver from the list. Find the problematic driver, right-click on it, and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall, and confirm by clicking Yes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.